Hey guys, Ronnie J here. Today we're going to be playing some Grand Theft Auto 5. As you might have read in the title, this is going to be a quick video. We're stealing a fighter jet from Fort Secundo, and I might want to hurry up. Let's put this in about 2-3 minutes. We're going to go ahead and bust through the gate here. As you can see, nothing's stopping me. I'm really indestructible. Except these few trucks that are in my way. These few trucks are the only things that can stop me. I need speed, and I need training. I've done this a couple times, so I know how to do this. I might want to hurry up before they call the tanks. So they're calling in the tanks right now. I might want to hurry because I gotta get out of here. As you can see, we're in the air. We are diverting. Yes. Alright, I missed that. I dodged the bullet that time. Dang. I can't land now. It's just you see that black smoke? Out of gas. I keep the baby in the air as long as I can. It's not gonna be pretty when she lands. No sir, it's not gonna be pretty. Because I have to land all the way over here. I don't think I have enough gas to do that. But I don't know. Gotta make it fake. That's what me and Michael is. Hey, that's a fake. That's what being Michael. Alright, I can land. I think I have enough gas to land. Hopefully I have enough gas. I don't refill these things. So I'm basically like, no, I'm just gonna go ahead and quickly save this. Alright guys, I'll see you again later. Hopefully you enjoyed this Grand Theft Auto video. Peace out. Watch us fail. Peace out.